billions of dollars siphoned off by the ruling elites of the developing world. And they find their way into Western bank accounts, offshore accounts, tax havens, expensive properties hidden behind companies bought in Western capitals. Mr. President, this is devastating the developing world. This is causing more poverty. It's impoverishing the developing world. The difference between rich and poor countries is growing because of this. Money laundering, which happens because money leaves the poorer countries into rich countries, is not treated the same. Money from drugs or terror financing, the way the poor countries are being plundered by their elites. How are we going to spend money on a human being, 220 million people, when half the money is going into debt servicing? Because our country was plundered by the ruling elite. And easily they could get the money out. When, Mr. President, we located properties in Western capitals bought by this money through corruption and money laundering of these corrupt leaders, we find it so difficult to retrieve it. Laws protecting these criminals. We do not have the sort of money to have expensive lawyers and spend millions and millions of dollars. We need help from the rich countries. They cannot allow this to happen. They must take action. Corrupt ruling elites should not be able to take money out easily and park it into foreign bank accounts and into these properties abroad. The world is changing. The population of the world is growing. Sooner or later, you're going to have a crisis. If the poor get poorer and the rich get richer, there is going to be a crisis sooner or later.